And following the directive of His Excellency the President, that junior secondary school be domiciled in primary school, the TSC has moved quickly to develop guidelines on staff to handle the learners who will be joining grade 7. So apart from the 30,000 that we shall be employing, we shall also be developing guidelines on those others that we shall be deploying to help in that grade. These guidelines will be released to stakeholders in January. In the meantime, 30,550 new teacher recruits, that is 9,000 on permanent and pensionable terms, and 21,550 teacher interns will be posted to handle the JSS before the opening of next term. In addition, the Commission will mount a robust capacity building exercise for teachers to handle the JSS learners. I wish to reassure the country that retooling of the teachers will continue to cover all secondary school teachers and all those who will be joining the teaching service during the CBC implementation. As you are aware, we have already trained 60,000 teachers in the current secondary schools, and early next month we shall embark on the retooling of teachers who will handle JSS. Allow me once again